Hi, welcome again. Today I want to talk about something important concept called RVT Invalidation. This is related to if anyone using RVT or Virtual HeightField Mesh with a dynamic material system. For example, here I have ultra dynamic weather. Basically, you can see some water ripple effects when I'm working on these puddles, but due to the RVT usage, I don't see that anymore. It's just wrong. It feels just wrong. Also, if I enable snow support, then I can walk on this surface, and usually it should leave me some snow trails. This works sometimes, but you can see it works sometimes, but it doesn't work always. And this is ultra dynamic weather running with HeightField Mesh support, which using the OpenLand landscape material. And this is the only way that you can get dynamic tessellation in Unreal Engine 5. And let me show you a very easy way to fix this issue. Right, in OpenLand, so you need to have the OpenLand landscape material for this one, but I'll show you at the end how to get this same functionality even without using OpenLand. And go to the OpenLand directory, and here we have the blueprints directory, and here we have a blueprint called RVT Invalidator. Simply drag that into your scene. Right now, just play your game. So now if you have snow, you can clearly see snow trails. So basically I can walk here and there. You can see deformation over here, and it looks pretty nice. And then let me add the rain effects. Right now you can see some, we can see some snow system as well. So that's because of the RVT. So if you go to the RVT Invalidator that we have shown you earlier, so here we have a button called Invalidate All. So then it will clear everything, and now we have the actual behavior that we want, and I can play my level. Now you can see clearly we have these puddle effects, and when the rain hits the ground, you can see ripples, and it's completely natural. And let me show you some of the controls of this RVT Invalidator. I'm gonna type Shift and F1 so I can have access to my editor, and I'm gonna select the RVT Invalidator. Here you have some settings, and here one of the settings is radius from character. So here we are invalidating the RVT close to the character. Right now it's just around like 200 centimeters from the character, but I can put some value like 10. Now you can see it's try to invalidate very closer to the user, not exactly a circle, but you get the idea. And then I can increase this to like 200, and if you want to have more of these things, then you can go even higher. But as you increase this value, and it will affect the performance of your gameplay, so just keep in that mind. Also, we have two RVTs, material RVT and the height RVT. So if you're using HeightField Mesh, so basically to get the snow deformation, you need to enable this height RVT as well. That's how we can get these puddle effects even when we're using RVT and Virtual HeightField Mesh. Right now I show you how to use the RVT Invalidator, which comes with OpenLand. But if you're not using OpenLand, and this is not magic, and let me show you how this works. So I'm gonna double click and open this blueprint, and now we can see for each and every frame, so event tick, I'm gonna run this invalidate RVT partial function. So this is something comes with OpenLand, and let me open this function, and this is the core function invalidate. So this is how we can get this. So you can get your RVT volume object. So basically I'm gonna get an actor of class. So here we have the RVT volume, and then you grab it and search for invalidate. So then this one invalidate, and then you will get this this variable, and then you get this function, and then you have the verb origin. So basically you need to have origin point like this, and then you need to have radius. So that's what we have shown you earlier. Also then you need to give some bounds, and I think actually here you can give some bounds with the radius as well, calculating, but the easiest way is to get the actor bounds like this, and then you can get the box extend and simply connect that into here. Yeah, and this is how you can implement this functionality even if you're not using OpenLand. But if you're using OpenLand, this is quite easy. And if you want to learn more about how I created this scene with ultra dynamic weather and OpenLand, just check the description below. I have a tutorial for that one, and see you soon with something interesting. Bye.